Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we'll talk about another module called AI Video to Video. This module is actually a bit more expensive than the others. You'll understand the main reason why in a bit. So first we selected the AI Video to Video module from Home or our tools. From here, you'll then need to select the aspect ratio. You'll select whether you want to create a long audio, long video, or shorts video. So I selected long. Then, just like before, if you watched the previous videos, there's an input source here. There are 5 input sources and you have to provide an input according to whether you want to create it with a script or a social media URL. The URL sometimes causes problems, as I mentioned. Or do you want to create it with an AI story where you just select a topic and the AI automatically writes a script based on that topic. It will write a script and make a video. If you have an old audio, you can use it as input to create a video. And for a long story, you can create a video by providing an idea and specifying how many words you want the script to be. That means the AI will first generate the entire script, then generate images, then the video, and then finalize the complete video. So this is the input source. The rest are all the same as before. For example, you can mix stock videos. One AI video, one stock will mix like that. Then what provider are you selecting as your provider? For example, I have Oxy added here. So if we select Oxy, it will show the model here. Oxy is selected for chat and audio. It will select script v2. Script v2 supports all kinds of languages, not just English, but Spanish, French, Bengali, everything is supported. Next, in the video options, you can add a logo and outro. Similarly, there's image animation, which is zoom in, zoom out. Image animation won't be needed here because it will turn from an image into a video. And for background music, you can add background, and this is video overlay. You can add overlays just like before. And this is the same as before. If you want to review it before rendering, you can keep that on. So what's the difference here? The difference is very simple. I'll show you. So I'll take a small script from AI chat. Then I gave it to AI video to video long. I named it Believe. So I selected Oxy here because it's not possible to use it without Oxy or a premium API. I clicked Next. Then what kind of style do you want? Meaning, whatever image style you provide here, the AI will first create that image. Then it will send that image again to create a video. So if you give Ghibli, it will first create a Ghibli image for the video. From that Ghibli, it will then create a video, an image. So for the image generator, I selected Nano Banner 2. Nano Banner 2 also comes through Oxy. And if you use Flux or something else, the quality won't be like Nano Banner. So I used Nano Banner 2. And here, parallel means how many. So this actually depends on Oxy's limitation. If your package has 1 concurrent, you can give 1. If it has 3, you can give 3. So 1 is perfect here. So I kept 3 here again. And in this section, you'll see that if Oxy is added, then Oxy Grok video will be added for you. And each clip, it's written there. And 720p, and how many parallel videos? I gave 2. Okay, let it be that way. And here you'll give the voice. 11 Lab, Oxy's 11 Lab voice. Everything, meaning if you add Oxy, you get everything together. However, Oxy's video panel model is actually very expensive. Not just Oxy, anyone's video model is very expensive. So in this case, I clicked Next. Then after giving everything, I just submitted it. So what this will do is first create a voice from the script. Then it will create a scene, create an image from the scene. Send the image and convert it to an image to video. Then it will join the clips to create a final video. So the entire process will be done using the Oxy API. This is very expensive because our AI image to video module only creates video from an image. And this creates the image, then sends another API request to create the video. It creates the video clip. Then it joins all those video clips to make the final. That's why it's very expensive. So before using this, if you use the Oxy API, please check the limits and credits. And if you use other APIs, like Together AI here, There's Fall AI, Replicate, Runway. If you use Runway AI, several of its video models will automatically appear here. Then, if you use the VU3 system from here, VU3 will appear. If you add Google Gemini, VU3 will appear there. So please keep these things in mind. AI video to video is not for, it's very expensive. If you have the budget, you can use AI video to video with an API. Thank you. I hope you understood. Let me check if it's done. This will take some time. So I'll pause the video and come back after it's finished. Look, it's finished. So let's watch this. This is a complete video, not just an image. Look. See? See? It's a full video. This is not AI image to video. It generates an image, then creates a video from the image, and thank you. Goodbye.